Know how I got this really defined coiled hair? Keep on watching. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is jessicatrnovec, and to my returning subscribers, welcome back guys. So guys, in today's video, if you have watched my previous video when I said I'm trying a DIY using some hairspray, yes, so this is my 1 month hair growth. Yeah, but today is not about that video. I'm going to post the video somewhere so you guys go check it out. So today I'm going to be doing a deep conditioner on my hair. So I'm going to be using aloe vera, banana, my normal oils I use on my hair, and maybe coconut milk. I don't know, but if you have coconut milk you can use coconut milk. If you don't have coconut milk you can just use water and oil. Yes, so I'm going to wash my hair right now because it's really dirty. And yeah guys, so please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you've not done that, and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get a notification whenever I upload a new video, and also like and comment and share. Alright, so let's get started. Something I want to say, this really helped my front hair to grow. That hairspray, like I have some, I don't know if I could find my picture or an old picture or an old video of my hair before, I'll put it somewhere here. So my front hair really came through this time around, so I'm still going to be using that hairspray on my hair. And yeah, so I'm just washing my hair. I talked about this, my natural shampoo. This is what I'm going to be using to wash my hair. I always store this in my fridge, so that it does not get spoiled. Yes, I've talked about this in my other video. I said a friend of mine always do this natural shampoo for me. So what's inside here is black soap and some essential oils. Any essential oil you can use, any one of your choice. Then she always adds fresh aloe vera inside, and that's it. Just store it inside the fridge and use it to wash it. It really helped my hair to grow guys. I'm really serious about this. I did a video and I'll post it somewhere so you guys will see the result. I always cleanse my scarf very well. Yeah, so this is what I'm going to use to wash my hair.
Talk about my feelings, you know it gets hard sometimes. Maybe I just need some time, some space to figure out how to give my all to you. If you give me one more try, I might just realize that it will always be us two.
I just been dropping.
Maybe I just need some time, some space to figure out how to give my all to
the mixture.
If you give me one more try, I might just realize that it will always be us two.
Look at the ingredients in this. It has shea butter, neem leaf, curry leaf, coconut oil again, oregano leaf, castor oil, and olive oil. So I'm just going to put in some drops inside.
I'm sorry for
Like
the way we things I know you're hurting. I didn't mean to start a war. I'm still
washing my hair.
How to talk about my
Looks
feelings.
clean. One thing with natural hair is that when you wash it, you just shrink. Yeah, so I'm going to be applying this on my hair. I've already washed it. I've already mixed it, sorry. I say wash it. I'm just going to apply this all over my hair.
Maybe I just need some time, some space to figure out how to keep my own. If you give me one more try, I might just realize that it will always be us two. Every road leads me back to you.
So I think I will section this for a better application. So this was sticky.
Back to you. Every road leads me back to you. Maybe I just need some time, some space to figure out how to give my all to you.
So I want everything to
Maybe I just need some time
enter this my hair.
figure out how to keep my only you. If you give me one more try, I might just realize that it will always be us two.
So I'll just do all this off camera and I'll come back and show you guys the end result.
We left the room of fight once again, love. Yeah, we said some things we didn't mean, hun. I always start the fight and you put the fire out. I always say too much and I get jealous. I never hear you out and that is selfish. I always start the fight and you put the fire out. I'm sorry for the way we left things, I know you're hurting. I didn't mean to start a war, I'm still learning how to talk about my feelings. You know it is hard sometimes. Maybe I just need some time, some space to figure out how to give my only you. If you give me one more try, I might just realize that it will always be us two. Maybe I just need some time, some space to figure out how to keep my only you. If you give me one more try, I might just realize that it will always be us two. Always keep my guard up and I'm sorry. I built my walls so high you couldn't climb them. But you're not the one to blame, I know this is all on me. I'm sorry for the way we left things, I know you're hurting.
Clean film to film my hair so that the curls will pop will still stay. The moisture, sorry, will be there.
Maybe I just need some time, some space to figure out how to give my only you. If you give me one more try, I might just realize that it will always be us two. Maybe I just need some time, some space to figure out how to keep my only you. If you give me one more try, I might just realize that it will always be us two. Every road leads me back to you. 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 Maybe I just need some time, some space to figure out how to give my only you. If you give me one more try, I might just realize that it will always be us two. Maybe I just need some time, some
I'm going
space
to
to
use
figure
my
out
shower cap
how to keep my only you. If you give me one more try, I might just
and
realize
cover
that it will
everything.
always be us two.
I'm going to leave this thing for an hour. I'll set my timer and I'll leave it for an hour, and after that I'm going to wash it off without shampoo. I'm just going to use water and rinse it off. Yes, and we'll see how coily my hair is gonna look like. Alright, our time is up. I'm going to wash my hair. Let's see.
I never hear you out and that is selfish.
It's really much, so I'm going to wash it and I'll come. It's review time. This is the best deep conditioner I've ever used. My hair is really soft. See, like, it's soft. So I advise you try this. My hair is so soft now, eh? Okay. Alright, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you've not done that, and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get a notification whenever I upload a new video, and also like and comment and share. I recommend this deep condition for anyone that has any stubborn hair. Your hair will soft by force. Alright, I love you guys. See you in my next video. Bye.